play today. Let's go out to play today. Let's go out to play today. What a happy way to wake. Hat, towel, sunscreen too. Today feels bright and new. Popotina brings her float. Popotín jumps high with joy. Mommy says you smile right here. Oh, did one more picture to keep near. Now we're at the swimming pool. Blue water shining fresh and cool. The sun is smiling from the sky. Today is fun, let's jump right in. Daddy jumps and says come on. Popotín goes splash, 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 laughing loud and having fun, playing water games at last. Daddy jumps and says come on. Popotín goes splash, 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 laughing loud and having fun, playing water games at last. Popotina looks and stops, takes one step and then says no. She feels scared to go inside, her little face shows worry now. Mommy says with loving tone,
don't be scared, my little star. Your floaty is your friendly guide. Don't miss out on all the fun.
Water, water, let's go play with our family every day. With love and care we learn and grow. Having fun is best, you know.
Everyone is splashing water, splash. Laughs are everywhere. They splash and giggle, run and play, having fun without a care.
To keep Popotos, Popotos, so much fun with our parents, everyone, laughing, learning, play all day. Family time is the best way. Let's go out to play together. Let's go out and learn each day. When we're with our family, everything turns out okay.